Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to crochet a simple bow with single crochet stitch pattern. It's super simple and easy to make, and you can use this crochet bow in different projects of crochet work like sweaters, bags and baby projects, caps, and you can also use this for your fabric dress to decorate it with the bow. So let's get started. I am using a 4mm crochet hook and a lightweight yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making a slip knot, you can make your base chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then make chain 1 to start your first row. Go into the second chain from the hook and pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. You can make this bow in different sizes by increasing and decreasing the number of base chain. So go into the second chain and make a single crochet stitch. Then go into the third chain, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make single crochet 3. Into the next one, single crochet 4. Into the next one, single crochet 5. So complete total 16 single crochet stitches till the end. After completing 16 single crochet stitches, to start your second row, make chain 1 and turn your work and go into the very first single crochet stitch and pull the yarn and then pull through 2 loops to make your first single crochet stitch. Now go into the second stitch, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch. Then go into the third stitch, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet 3. Then into the next one, single crochet 4. Into the next one, single crochet 5 and make 1 single crochet stitch into every stitch and complete 16 single crochet stitches. After completing 16 single crochet stitches for the second row, again to start the third row, make chain 1 and turn your work. Go into the first single crochet stitch, pull the yarn and make your first single crochet stitch. Into the next stitch, make single crochet 2. Into the next stitch, make single crochet 3. Into the next stitch, make single crochet 4. Into the next stitch, make single crochet 5 and complete 16 single crochet stitches again. And you can simply repeat these rows again and again until you reach the desired width size for your crochet bow. I am going to make 8 rows, but you can increase or decrease number of rows according to the size you are making. So after completing this page, now we are going to make single crochet stitches all around. So start with chain 1 and go into this side and make single crochet 1. Into the next, single crochet 2. Into the next, single crochet 3. Into the next, single crochet 4. Into the next, single crochet 5, into the next single crochet 6, into the next single crochet 7, and into this corner we are going to make 3 single crochet stitches, 1, 2 and 3. After making 3 single crochet stitches in the corner, now make 1 single crochet stitch into every chain space and repeat this till the end. And after completing this side, into this last chain of our corner, make 3 single crochet stitches and take this starting yarn tail between your stitches and make single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, single crochet 7. Now into this corner stitch again make 3 single crochet stitches and now make 1 single crochet stitch into every stitch, and into the last one make 3 single crochet stitches. After completing this, go on to the first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch here. Now you can simply gather this from the middle, or you can make a border edge pattern as well. So start with chain 1, wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch and pull the yarn, pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch, then make chain 3, wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch again, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch, and then you can skip 1 stitch and into the next one you can make a single crochet stitch, then again wrap the yarn, skip 1 stitch, into the next one make half double crochet, chain 3 and half double crochet into the same stitch, then again skip 1 stitch, into the next one make a single crochet, then again skip 1 stitch and into this next stitch of corner make half double crochet, make chain 3, into the same stitch make another half double crochet, again skip 1 stitch, into the next one make a single crochet stitch, wrap the yarn, skip 1 stitch, into the next one make half double crochet, chain 3 and half double crochet, skip 1 stitch, into the next one make single crochet. So this is the pattern. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. After completing this border, skip this last chain and go into this first half double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch, and then pull the extra yarn and cut the extra yarn. Now simply weave this extra yarn with the help of needle to some backside stitches. After weaving the extra yarn end, now you can fold this bow in half and then from the center you can take your needle upside down and downside up to gather it, and then simply make two knots to gather this from the middle. I am using two strands of yarn because it's a lightweight yarn. Now wrap the other yarn after wrapping these two yarns. You can simply make knot to secure your work. Now you can either cut these two yarn ends or you can use these two yarn ends to join this crochet bow to any of the crochet sweater, bag, hat or other baby projects. So it's very beautiful and easy to make pattern. I hope you guys like this pattern. If you like this pattern, must try it. If you have any questions about this pattern, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.